Hello sir, this is Samir Rahman and this is mid3 problem number 5 to complete the insert and remove from function, and we have the C code in top down design here. So let's just go through the code first and then we'll talk about this later. Talk about the functions we need to complete later. So let's just build this code first and let's see what this code basically does. So if we try to run it, and we can see what this code basically doing is that it's printing three arrays of 10 ones here, as in the main function we can see here that it's doing. So it's printing this, and what we will need to do is that we need to finish the insert at function, and what we will do in insert at is that we'll replace the first index value of the array with another integer and shift the values to right, and after that in the remove from function we will just print back the previous values that we had in the array, and we'll just remove the integer we inserted before and shift the values to the previous position. So let's just go through the code from the beginning. If you look at this code carefully, we can see there are 6 function prototypes, so there are total 6 functions used in this code. And inside the main function here we have declared the logical size and the allocation size here, and we have used an array of allocation size. After that we have used for loop to go through the 10 ones we need to print, and we have used add to array function here. And what this add to array function basically does is that it just checks array limit by using check array limit function. And with check array limit function does is that it checks the allocation size and logical size if both of them are same, and if it's same it prints an error. It's that just simple. And after that what the add to array function did is that it printed the pointer logical size and implementing by 1 and use it as an array which is equal to value. So after that what it does is that it used the print array function to print the to print the array of 10 ones here, and after that the insert data remove function to print the other two arrays. So we need to complete the insert that function first, and what we will basically need to do to complete this is that we need to check it first to check if the allocation size and the logical size are same. So if both of them are same, then it can give us an error here. So we'll just check it first if the allocation size and logical size are same, and after that what we will do is that we'll use a for loop here. So if as I is equal to 9 or I is greater than or equal to index which is the first value index -1, and then we'll decrement it by minus, and inside this what we will do is that we'll just pass the value of these arrays. First one is array 1 plus 1 I plus 1, which is basically equal to the array I, and after that what we need to do is pass the value of array index -1 equal to value here. So let's just fill this and see if it works. So what we need to do is that we need to just copy this part here, and let's just fill this and then run it. And as we can see that we have just successfully changed the first index value, change it with an integer and shifted the values to right. And now what we need to do is that we'll go to this function remove from, and we'll remove the integer we inserted before and shift the values back to the previous position. And for that what we will do is that we'll use an if function here. So if the index value is less than or equal to 10, sorry, less than or equal to 10, then it will, what we will do is that we will use a for loop here for logical size is equal to index -1, and inside this we'll use logical size less than 10 and pointer logical size will increment it by 1 by using plus plus, and inside this we'll just pass the value of logical size which is equal to, is basically equal to logical size plus 1, and that will be it. So let's just build this and check if we have done it. And as we can see that we have successfully just removed this previously added integer and shifted the values to the previous position again. So let's just give some comments here. What this basically does is that inserts an integer and shifts values to right, and what this basically does is that removes added integer and shifts values to previous position. So that will be it.